Sending statements. Statements could be sent either electronically or by paper. Just like you learned in claim management, there's something called statement management. Before we talk about statement management, I'm going to show you what can affect a statement. Using billing cycle can affect a statement. We recommend to have a 28 days of billing cycle. Why is that? Because every month can have at least 28 days, including February. So using the billing cycle, it means I can print statement as often as I want on a daily basis, for example, and no patients will get a statement within the 28 days. So this is a great way for busy practice to keep sending statements on a daily basis or more often than a monthly and not have to worry that the patient will keep getting a duplicate statement. Now, sending the statements electronically. To send it electronically, you need to have an account with one of my favorite add-ons. It's called Billflash. Billflash handles many things. One of them is sending statement by paper, or the patient can opt in to get it electronically by email. To do that is you do the same thing. You create any statements, you print the statement. And this time I'm going to choose Billflash and I'm going to choose the first one. You're going to hit OK. And if you have an account, it's going to log you to your account. You will get the same filters. I'm just going to hit OK. I'm not filtering for anything. If you have a Billflash account, it will communicate with Billflash now. Otherwise, it will prompt you to create an account. Then it will come here and it will show you that I sent 5 statements. I can review them, approve them, or reject them. I'm going to review, of course. One of the nice things you see when you're sending by Billflash is you will see patient by patient with a hyperlink of their chart number. Then it breaks it down by how old the balance is. So for example, Ben Affleck here, I have 835. There's 370 is past 60 and 125 is past 90. If I want to see what the statement look like, I will see it here. That should look similar to what you had on the paper, line by line. Remainder, nothing here is 0. Then it gives you a nice aging summary. You can turn that aging off if you don't want to, and it will break it down by new charges, payment and credit, adjustment, past 30, past 60, past 90. This looks a lot more professional than the one that you print from your own printer, and it has a couple added feature here. Number one, this is a preferred statement that the patient will fold or cut and return with the return envelope that goes in the same envelope. It has a place here where they can mark which credit card. And also, if you have the service turned on to accept online payment, then you will see a link here where the patient can go to and pay online, and that payment comes inside Medisoft. Highly recommend. If you want to add a comment on this statement for whatever reason, you can edit and you can add a comment on any of the lines here. You have all those lines, you can put messages on it. Some messages are generated by the system and some messages can be overwritten and you can type it. If for whatever reason you don't want to send the statement out, you can hit delete and that will exclude only the statements from the batch that you're trying to send now. And you can scroll here statement by statement if you're trying to add more comments on more lines. And once you're done with whatever you typed, you can hit save the changes. And are you sure you want to save the changes? That saves whatever you typed on that statement, which is what I typed. Then now you can scroll to the next patient. And when you're done with editing, you can hit close. Then at that time, you can approve the file. You can change the format of the statement. I hope you found that helpful. Click below for the complete Medisoft Online Academy by MicroEyes, or you should know that if you sign up for the Medisoft Cloud by MicroEyes, you will get the complete online academy at no additional charge. Also, we provide one-on-one training. Let's get your practice running at peak efficiency. Don't compromise, go MicroEyes.